Right.
Trying to heal.
Thanks. I'm
It's
pulling
okay.
some up.
Don't want that to happen.
Oh, geez, Phil.
All right, make sure it's away from the wires.
Okay.
Okay.
Make sure it's high up.
All right.
Away from
All right. Ready for this?
Absolutely. Is it lit? Oh shit. Get it.
You did a fine job there. All right. All right. Now. All right, y'all. This is the Roman candle that y'all can see, and your rep Afghanistan will do. Now, wish you luck and be safe. Wow. You see that, y'all? It's interesting. Alright, ready for the next one?
Yeah, that was bomb. It went like you had some rocket blasts.
Alright, ready for the next one?
Sure, let's try it again. We just have to be safer than sorry.
Alright, then the Martian's gonna do the last Roman candle, and I will do the last one as well. So, be safe and...
Hey!
Got it? That's interesting. Good job, Zen. Alright.
Louise.
And alright, y'all. I'm gonna light out this last Roman candle. So, don't mind the car alarm, y'all. So, anyway, this is the last Roman candle I'm gonna do for y'all. So, anyway, hopefully it'll be a safe one, y'all. So, wish me luck. Car?
Fuck that car. Stupid driver.
Alright, y'all, that's the last of the Roman candle. So, anyway, y'all ready for the last firework? Ready for the last firework, y'all?
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Whoa, shit. Alright, guys. This is the last firework I'm going to show y'all for tonight. Woo. It's called the Air Cavalry. So, yeah, so the Air Cavalry is the last firework I would do for y'all for tonight. So, anyway, it's gonna be interesting, y'all. Alright. Ready for this, y'all? Ready for that? hit.
That's all there was. I thought there was more to that. What happened there?
That's it.
Oh, damn, that's the end of the show.
That was weird as fuck. Alright, you guys, thank you all for watching me and Dan firing off the fireworks for the kind of like 4th of July thing. But I'm just doing it for fun, y'all. Fireworks is for fun. Not to celebrate 4th of July because of the country went backwards. So, screw that. So, fuck that. So, we're just gonna like celebrate just for tonight. So, anyway, y'all, thanks y'all for watching. Wish y'all happy 4th. Fantasy day. Enjoy watching the fireworks. And remember, all you guys, to be yourself, be inspired, be respectful. Peace, much love you guys. Take care.